Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Nintendo Switch 2 not turning on or charging. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you let your Nintendo Switch 2 run out of battery so it's not turning on. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the way that I fix it after having not used my Nintendo Switch 2 for quite some time is that you want to make sure that when you charge it at the port right here, and this is a Type-C cable, you want to make sure that it's plugged directly into the wall. A common mistake that I've seen people do is that they'll have a Type-C cable, but then it'll run through their computer. But that's not necessarily the fastest charge that you can give your Nintendo Switch 2. So at the same time, if your Nintendo Switch 2 is not turning on, do make sure to remove the Joy-Con controller sticks first, just because if you have the Joy-Con controller sticks attached, it is going to be charged by your console, but if your console is running out of battery, you'd want to make sure that you're charging this fully first before you charge the Joy-Con controllers. So simply just make sure that you have a Type-C cable placed into here and it's charging directly from the wall. Now you can use a Type-C cable or you can use a docking station, either works. Just make sure that you're not running through another external source like a computer or a laptop or a tablet in order to charge this. So if this was completely dead and it was completely blank and you started charging it, I would say give it about 30 minutes to an hour to actually go ahead and start charging up. And then simply just hold the power button on the upper left-hand corner and it should turn on, okay? It's not going to be an instant turn on when it comes to charging. So do give it a couple minutes, especially if it's coming from a completely drained battery. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix Nintendo Switch 2 not turning on or charging. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.